You gotta go.
The bell, that doesn't make a move. The pedals make a move.
Move the pedals. Just like your trike. Good job.
That's so move out of the way.
Say excuse me, please.
Excuse me. Excuse me, please.
Pedal.
Toy Story.
You're just now noticing it's Toy Story? Goofy boy.
Hey, move.
Use your body. Push with your body.
Watch out, Joshua.
He's gonna run you over. Whoops! Watch out!
Excuse me.
Whoops!
I use my bells to water things when they're.
Now you can ride that on our walks, Caleb, instead of riding your trike. We'll save the trike for Caleb since he's a baby. For Joshua. Joshua's gonna give you a push.
No, I don't need a push. I don't need a push, Joshua. Thank you, though.
Why aren't you moving?
Joshua's gonna help you out. You can play with the ball. Yeah, the balloon is right there. Caleb, say cheese.